Hi Cancerians, this is your monthly reading for the month of March 2023. I am going to look at the energies here which are spread out in front of me. I have clarified. I will also talk about specifically about what's coming to your in your career and what are the broad energies in your relationship and what's the outcome for you at this time. You are making a judgment regarding a passionate situation, judgment regarding a recovery situation, judgment regarding a lack of passion or lack of motivation in a situation. Judgment here is telling me that if you started a work, if it is not working, you are going to make a decision to get out of it. Some of you are also making a decision about your love. Some of you are making a decision about a new start or a new situation that was coming in fast. So, temperance is your mode. You are going to take path of patience. You are going to take a path of patience because something is telling you that what you were waiting for is coming very, very slowly. So the Knight of Pentacles is coming in very slowly. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius, could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you are dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So you are trying to be in a situation. You want to be clever, you want to be patient, you want to remain in a temperance, some kind of moderation, and you could be dealing with deceit from someone, or you are not wanting a conflict with someone who broke your heart. So someone broke your heart, you are reeling under hurt situation, you are wanting to keep it quiet. It is a hidden situation for some of you. It could be in job, it could be in your work, it could be in any sector of your life. Something which is hidden, something which is giving you hurt, you are healing and deciding to make a judgment regarding your patience. So basically the Chariot is in advantage for you. This is your own card, the Cancerian card. It says that if it is in advantage, this means that if the Chariot is in advantage, you have the capacity to work, you have the capacity of your willpower, you have the capacity to move on from a situation, change your direction, and go towards your triumph. So if you are a sports person, definitely triumph will happen. If you take your work as a sporting activity, if you take your work as something of a goal and you have to reach a destination, if you have ambition, what I am seeing is you have the capacity to achieve it and triumph in it. So at this moment in the month of March, you will be contemplating becoming wise. So there are two cards here who are in opposition. So Hermit and the World. World means expansion. Hermit means going within, getting your wise counsel. So one is the social popular card. The other is the individual card. So it doesn't matter. What I am seeing is balancing happening. What I am seeing is that your upgrade or change of cycle is coming, and you want to take things slowly, knowing exactly what to do for your next step. The Ace of Swords is telling me in all the chaos, all the problems, you will be seeing a path of victory, you will be getting a victory, you will be getting clarity in your situation. So generally this is what I have for you in your reading for March. Let's see, in your career, you are not giving up on a situation despite rejections, despite failures. You are carrying on, you are courageous, and you are not losing hope. Temperance here is telling me that patience will pay off if you work slowly, if you work quietly, if you know that the world that is upgrading your work, upgrade in a situation of relocation, changing your line, whatever you want to do to get to a vocation, you will quietly work for it, and you are going to achieve success. So moderation is required, and by the end of March or by the middle of March, you are going to make a move. You are going to do some action with the Knight of Wands energy, and victory will be yours. So in a, you could be planning cleverly, you could be making your progress slowly, you could be patient, and ultimately when you change your direction, when you change your gears, you will be seeing victory, you will be seeing attention, you will be valued, you will have a fan following. So whoever I am addressing, you, with your patience, with your moderation, with your inner counsel, with your wisdom, you are going to achieve success. The fuel and power will come to you, and the Ace of Swords is telling me you will be crystal clear about where to go. The Chariot in advantage is telling me that triumph will be yours with your willpower and your focus. So in terms of love, you are at this time resisting love maybe, or you are trying to remain in a relationship. It could be with a Leo for some of you. So what I am seeing is that you will be showing power, you could be very startling, having great personality, people will be attracted to you because you have the fulfillment and desire from within to succeed. So you are a great personality at this time. You could be unique, you could be exuding charm, you could be showing importance. People will be understanding your importance. So you are either in connection with such a person, or you are yourself taking this energy, and you'll be very happy in your love relationship. You will be showing your courage, you will be showing your power of patience in love as well, in relationship as well. You will be showing bravery and success in your relationship, in your interpersonal interpersonal activities. That is what I am seeing. So what's coming to you in the near future or in the outcome position is Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles is clarified by Ace of Pentacles. So definitely a proposal is coming towards you, a proposal of work, a proposal of marriage, a proposal which can take you to long-term security. So something substantial is coming in, unexpected gift, benefit, unexpected money is coming towards you. Some of you will be getting inheritance, some of you will be getting help, loan, new job opportunity, definitely in the month of March. So your weakness is that you could get overwhelmed with fast movement of your situation or no movement in your situation. So the weakness is that you become sad, and you start to give up. But don't give up. The Chariot card is telling me that you have to have the willpower to go through. So if some days of March show you slow movement, some days of March show you some kind of no activity, please be moderate, please be patient, because you are going to have a victory over your circumstance, and world could be changing for you slowly. So the phase, the cycle of your life is changing slowly towards an upgrade, because the Ace of Pentacles is just there in your outcome position. So the poverty of your mind or poverty of your situation is ending with the Coffin card. Things have to be put behind. Don't remind yourself of the failures, don't remind yourself of the lack of success. It is going to end, and you are going to go towards a great fortune situation. So money is coming to you, situation of luck, destiny, new offers coming towards you. So wait patiently. You are having the courage, you are having the temperance to move towards that, and it's you who is going towards it. It's you who is going to convert this pentacle which is coming towards you, clarified by pentacle. Definite offer coming towards you, love proposal, marriage proposal, money proposal, career proposal coming towards you. You can make it happen because great fortune is predicted. So this is going to take you towards recovery, happiness, name, fame, and also health recovery is possible. You will be in harmony definitely with your soulmate in terms of love, because you will be showing your importance, showing your value, showing your power in a relationship that can take you to success. Your bravery will take you forward. Some of you will be dealing with a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius definitely, and you are going to have lot of happiness with this person. So Cancerians, if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties or have some problem can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. People who come back regularly to my channel and have not subscribed, please do subscribe, like, share, because whatever you do positive on my channel helps my channel to grow. Thank you so much. Bye bye.